In today's video, I'll teach you how to add new traveler in Hopper app. First of all, launch open Hopper application. Make sure you're logged into your account. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like traveler details, payment methods, your trips, transaction history, etc. Tap on this option, traveler details. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the travelers interface. You'll be able to see all the travelers added over here. If you want to add a new traveler, you'll be able to find the option for new travelers. Simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to add the information regarding new traveler over here. First of all, what you have to do is enter the first name. Now once you do that, you can also enter the middle name if applicable, enter the last name. Now once you do that, also select the birthday. Tap on the field of birthday and you'll be able to select the month, day. Also, you'll be able to select the year over here. After you do that, tap on the OK option. Now also select the gender. Now scroll down. You'll also be able to enter the frequent flyer details over here. You'll have to provide the information regarding nationality, passport number and passport expiration date. Also, you'll be able to find the section for additional information. In additional information section, you'll have to provide the information like requires assistance, redress number issuing country, known traveler number issuing country. These are completely optional. If you want to fill it, you can simply fill in the details. Now after you do that, tap on this option, Save Traveler, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, new traveler will be added over here. So like this, you'll be able to add the new traveler. So that is how you add new traveler in Hopper app. Thank you for watching.